Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a product that I can almost guarantee you none of you have probably ever heard of before because I had never heard of it. It is a product from a company called Bubble Brand, and it is their quick detailer Jasmine. Let's do it. So before we get this video started, if you like detailing videos, product review videos, paint correction videos, full detailing videos, stuff like that, hit that subscribe button down below and then turn on all notifications, which is the little bell next to the subscribe button. So every time I upload a video, you do get notified. Now, you guys, honestly, almost daily, I get messages on Facebook and on Instagram from companies wanting to send me stuff. A lot of times, actually probably 75 to 80% of the time, I usually say, nah, I'm not interested. But when this Bubble Brand messaged me, I was like, oh, I've never heard of that before, you know? And you kind of, when you hear about a new company, I'm so used to all the other products that I use, but when you hear about like a brand new company, you're never sure. Well, he said, all we sell is just that product, one product. And he said, I'm sure you're gonna love it. So the more I thought about it, I was like, so if a company is selling just one product, that product better be spectacular. Otherwise, they're not gonna be around for very long. And I can tell you, I have used this thing a few times. The level is right there. It was all the way up here to begin with. I love it, you guys. This stuff is amazing. Now, the jasmine smell, I'm not too keen on, but it is absolutely a fantastic detailer. Probably one of the best, if not the best I've ever used. It doesn't streak, it flashes fast. The paint is so smooth when you get done. Extremely smooth. When you wipe it up or mop it up the first time, when you flip that towel over to the dry side and you go over and you buff it, that paint feels smooth as butter. It's absolutely amazing. It's kind of, I was kind of geeked out. I mean, I was really geeked out, but I was really caught off guard. I wasn't sure what to expect the first time I sprayed it on the car. We're gonna do it on my wife's 06 Grand Cherokee. It is black. That's a perfect vehicle to show you guys. It does not streak, and the gloss and stuff that it leaves behind is absolutely amazing. Now, the bottle does say, spray it onto a surface and then wipe off gently with a clean microfiber towel and replace towel when needed for best results. That's the only directions on it. It says, make sure you rinse off the debris and dirt before applying to surface, but it's not really a direction. As you can see, the directions are right here. And it says shake well before use. And that is because there is a carnauba wax in here, is why the reason they want you to shake it up really well before use. I'm still like speechless on this stuff. Now I'm gonna show you guys. You'd think that if it's their only product, it'd be real expensive. So it's on Amazon, and I will put it down in my Amazon store. There's always a link to my Amazon store in the description of the videos, every one of my videos. It is $9.50, basically, $9.49 for 16 ounces. If you can get past the jasmine smell, because that's the only thing that throws me off, but man, this stuff works awesome. Let me take you guys to the Jeep, and let me show you how well it works. I will say really quick, they don't want you to use it on a really dirty vehicle. Dusty vehicle, fingerprints, stuff like that. If it's got bird poo or it's got dirt or anything like that, you don't want to use a detailer anyways. And what you want a detailer to do, you want it to clean the surface, make it look shiny and glossy, and that's it, and that's exactly what this stuff does. So I just got done making a video on wet sanding the headlights. So we're not going to be doing this up here with the quick detailer. We probably could, to be honest with you, but we're not going to. This bumper's trashed anyways. And we're not going to use it on the hood because the hood's got a bunch of crap on it. What we're going to use it on is right here on the side, on the fenders. As you can see, I'm hoping you guys can see, yep, see all this cloudiness. It's fingerprints and stuff where it's working on the engine. And it's just kind of cloudy. We got some water lines going down here from getting rained on. It's not extremely dirty by any means. That's a little bit of like dust. Probably from me mowing the grass, to be honest with you. So we're just going to see, I mean, I already know what it's going to do. I want to show you guys what it's going to do. And I do have it on my quick jacks because I've been doing work to it and it makes it so much easier to detail on anyways. But let me get the camera on a tripod. You can see those fingerprints really well right there. Get it on the tripod. Let me show you guys this stuff. Now, like with all new products, it's kind of, you test it and try to figure out what works best. I used a 300 GSM towel to begin with the first couple times that I used it. And it was okay. You know, I wasn't real impressed with it. But then when I got out a 500 GSM edgeless towel, that changed the whole game on this thing. All right, let me show you guys. All right, that's it. And then this is completely dry. We're just gonna come in here, we're just gonna wipe. Look how fast that flashes. Absolutely amazing. And I don't find products that make me this excited that often. I wish I could, but I don't. But this stuff is amazing. You guys saw right there how easy that was. All those smudges and everything. Look how clear the panel is now. All those smudges are gone. Yeah, the paint is trashed on this car. That's why I use this car for testing new products. Because I don't care about it, to be honest with you. Mrs. Fab loves it, but I really care about it. There you go. Let me go over this door here. Actually, got to finish the fender. Remember, there's this line right here, or right there, going down. We'll kind of do this door and the rest of that fender really quick. So we need to spray here, and I'll just do that. Basically 3 sprays. Remember to flip your towel regularly, whatever, I can't even say it. You don't want to get it soaking wet because that's when you start getting streaks most likely. I have not gotten any streaks out of this product since I've been using it. I mean, look at that. I mean, detailers are awesome to have. And this is just so good. This is a sponsored video because they sent it to me for free, you guys, but I didn't get paid for this. If I didn't like it, I'd tell you, just look at my Shine Armor video. Look at that. If you're still watching this video, I'd get on Amazon and buy a bottle before they're sold out. I don't know how popular the video is going to be. You never know on YouTube anymore. But this is awesome, you guys. So before I let it down, I got this whole side right here done, and just look at it. I mean, just take a second to... I'm taking a second to enjoy what this company has made. It's just so good. And when it says quick detailer, it means it because it flashes like that. The paint is so smooth when you're buffing it off. Alright, so hopefully that light's not messing you guys up too much, but you can see it right here. And it works really good on glass too. I'll show you it on glass here in a second. Oh, it just feels so amazing when you go to wipe it, when you buff it. I mean, it's so cool, you guys. I know I keep saying that. It truly is. Here, I'll show you on glass. Because when you're using a detailer, you always accidentally get on glass anyways. I'm just going to do this whole side. I'm just going to go ahead and bring it. If you see any linting in this video, please just remember that's linting. Something happened somewhere along the way with my towels recently, and I am getting linting. It doesn't matter what towels I wash. I always wash microfibers by themselves with the colors, I mean everything. I have picked up lint somewhere, and I don't know how. So you may see lint. Oh my gosh. Ugh. It's so easy to use. Look at the glass. As you can see, no streaking at all. All right, you guys, I'm gonna finish the car. We'll take it outside, look at it in the daylight. All right, you guys, so I don't know if you're ready for this. This is amazing. You guys are gonna love it. Check it out. We are in the sun. You're gonna see swirls in the paint because I need to fix it, but you notice there's 0 streaks. I did use it on the hood. No streaks on the hood either. I only use it on the hood because I don't care about this car. If it was dirty like that and I used it on, and I needed to use it, I wouldn't use it on like our Journey or my truck. But this car, it's a good test vehicle. Look at this paint. Man, yeah, I hate this stuff right here, but nothing I can do about that. I mean, it just looks wet, like it was just painted. This car still needs a full paint correction. Put on all the glass, cleaned all the glass with it. This side didn't have the sun on it. I mean, tell me that just doesn't look amazing like glass. I mean, it's like wet looking. Like I said, I don't get excited about products like this very often, but man, this one caught me off guard. I couldn't wait to show you guys it, but I used it on 2 cars before I used it on this one just to make sure
that I was seeing what I thought I was seeing with it, and man, I am.
All right, you guys, so the Bubble brand quick detailer Jasmine is a 5 thumbs ups for me. I was taken aback by this. I did not expect to have the results that I got out of it. I waited till about my third, I think this is the 3rd car I've put it on before I actually made a video. I wanted to make sure that I was actually seeing, like I said earlier, what I thought I was seeing. Make sure that it was up to par, and my gosh, it looks amazing. It is so slick, and this paint is contaminated. It needs a full paint correction. I know it's got contaminants all over it. Hasn't been clayed in 2 years. This car gets neglected around here. But back to the product at hand, it's easy on, extremely easy off, and when you go to buff it off with the dry side of the towel, you are going to be absolutely amazed the way it feels, and then how it can feel afterwards, like right now. Absolutely amazing, gives it good gloss. It does have a wax in it, but I think that wax is just what's bringing the glow out, what's bringing the gloss out. I'm not sure if it's gonna leave any type of protection you can count on. I think it's just there for slickness and for the gloss. I can tell you that it does bead after using it, because I used it on my truck a couple weeks ago, and there's really nothing on my truck, and it bead water the next time it rained, but nothing major, you guys. The Carnu was, like I said, for the glow and for the slickness. But this product is 2 thumbs up for me. I know I said 5 thumbs up earlier, but 2 thumbs up for me for sure. And right now it's only $9.50 on Amazon. I'll put it down in the description of the video so you guys can find it in my Amazon store and you can purchase it. It is a Prime item, so there's no shipping. It's just a fantastic deal all the way around, and you guys will not be disappointed if you buy it. And one thing I did forget to mention at the very beginning of the video is this is not the sprayer that came on it. The sprayer that came on it actually looked like a Griot's Garage sprayer, but it was black. It just wasn't red and white. But the post office apparently liked to throw their stuff around like a football, and they broke the plastic sprayer. So this is just an extra sprayer that I had laying around, which it works good, but I really wish I could have used the sprayer that came with the bottle. This is a sponsored video. They sent me this product. He didn't ask me to make a video. He just said, give me your thoughts on it. It's the only product that we make. And I decided to make a video because it's so awesome, and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. No money made here to make this video. You guys are seeing my true feelings. I kept saying amazing, amazing, and unbelievable throughout the whole video. It's just the stuff that was coming to my head as I was using it. I was just so blown away by this product. I absolutely love it for a quick detailer. You guys will too. So if you guys liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Join the Fab family. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you in the next video.